I think having a broad range of expertise and knowledge from a variety of fields come together is the key to innovation. My name's Lee Dumas and I'm a PhD student in Material Science and Engineering Department at Monash. Printing multiple materials is a growing field and there's been a lot of different approaches to it. My research is focused on printing of bio-inspired composites. I'm using 3D printing to create a new class of material. My work, I guess, focuses on the design and the geometry, looking at structures and materials that we see in nature, things like shells. The seashell in particular is a structure called nacre, which is made up of essentially just chalk, so it's really, really brittle, but it's got a little bit of soft biopolymer in there, and the result is we get this incredibly tough seashell, and it's the structure and the way in which it's combined that gives these fantastic properties. So if we can try and replicate them or draw inspiration from them in some of the stuff that we're making, we're on the right path. As 3D printing develops and evolves, we want to guide the future design of these type of composite materials. I'm lucky enough to have 3 supervisors, each of which plays a really important role in my study, from really hands-on day-to-day stuff that I can go and talk about my latest results to more kind of overarching big picture kind of stuff. I guess they each bring something special, from kind of international collaborations to kind of civil engineering backgrounds as well, and the resources and facilities that have been made available to us by Monash is absolutely world leading. We can have access to these fantastic 3D printers, as well as the ability to display our data on big screens so that we can hopefully gain an insight into what that data means and how we can manipulate it. The ability to collaborate with industry has taught me the relevance of my research and how my research fits into the broader picture. And the work that I do wouldn't be possible without the people around me. We are constantly drawing on each other for knowledge and expertise. That melting pot of ideas is where real innovation comes from. And so something like this Woodside Innovation Centre is a perfect example of what can be done. The opportunities that I've been afforded by Monash have been incredible. Going around the world and seeing what other people are doing, being able to bring that knowledge back to Monash, back to Woodside, is invaluable not only to myself but also to the faculty. I never saw myself in the current position I am when I started my PhD 3.5 years ago, and I count myself very lucky to have had those opportunities.